These cows are the unlikely heroes of the year-long blockade led by Saudi Arabia. The Saudis went almost overnight from providing 80% of Qatar's fresh milk to zero. To cushion the blow, BALADNA farm flew and shipped in thousands of cows from Europe and America. And they bought state-of-the-art technology to run a large dairy farm in the desert.
There's a total new infrastructure, there's a total new dairy industry, which wasn't there a year ago. And actually, in fresh milk, we are already self-sufficient 1 year after. We have about 10,000 cows. And by the end of the year, we'll have, let's say, around 20,000 cows. So we're still in the growing phase, in the building phase.
Everything the farm needs is made there, from the dry feed to the dairy products. And I'm told this factory will soon be run by robots.
Now, one of the major challenges is to keep these cows cool in the blistering summer heat. And these water sprays and giant fans are used. The cows then step onto the state-of-the-art rotary parlour from Ireland, where up to 750 of them are milked in a single hour. After feed, they then go to sleep on rubber mattresses to keep them raised off the warm ground.
The company's vice president says there was too much competition from other Gulf countries before the blockade to get a share in the market.
It's opened big opportunities for these entrepreneurs in order to develop themselves, develop their own companies by creating small and medium-sized companies in order to fulfill the gap.
And now he's looking to expand beyond Qatar.
We are planning to expand more by the end of the year by bringing 2 more shipments in order to start exporting to outside Qatar, and we will be targeting first 20 countries.
Of the $1 billion worth of all food imports to Qatar 3 years ago, the Saudis and the United Arab Emirates sold about a third. So who else is filling the gaps in the market now?
We were also able to find alternative products, especially for a lot of the detergents and a lot of the food supply, also through Turkey, Oman, Lebanon, Morocco, Tunisia, Algeria, Europe, all across Europe. For every product there is hundreds and hundreds of products. If you close one door, there is 1,000 doors that are open.
For many Qataris, the blockade